Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to sign up for your regional sports network through FanduelSportsNetwork.com. So to see if this is available at your zip code, we're going to head on over to FanduelSportsNetwork.com. I'll link this webpage down in the description. You're going to enter in your zip code on this webpage. And then if you're able, you can click on where it says start 7-day free trial. And I'm going to go over your pricing options as well after this free trial is over. So clicking on where it says start 7-day free trial. And using my zip code, it's going to show me which local teams I have access to. So it's going to be the Detroit sports market with the Tigers, Pistons, and Red Wings. So the base package for all three of these teams, depending on which season is currently going on for those respective sports, it's $19.99 a month, or you can do $189.99 for a full year subscription. However, you can also shorten this to a season pass. Now for me, I don't follow the Tigers or the Red Wings. I only watch the Detroit Pistons. So doing the season pass is actually not that bad. It's $124.99 for the whole season, and that's going to run through April 30th, so through the end of the Detroit Pistons regular season. And going over to NBA League Pass to show you the comparison. So doing a one-team subscription on NBA League Pass is $89.99. Of course, you can only select this for out-of-market teams, so this isn't available for me for the Detroit Pistons. And it is $35 more throughout the course of the entire season, but that's something that I'd be willing to pay as a slightly higher premium so that I don't have to get a regular cable or satellite package or a more expensive streaming TV package. So to test out the service, I'm going to do the 7-day free trial, which is in the base package for the month option here. And then at the bottom, I'm going to click on where it says start free trial. At this point, you're going to need to sign up for a Fanduel Sports Network account if you have not already done so. If you do have an account, you can sign in with your email and password and then click sign in. Otherwise, we can click here where it says create account and then enter in your personal information, your name, the email that you want associated with this account, a password, and then click create account. And then going through checkout, you can enter in either a credit card or you can go through PayPal. It's going to show you the package that you had selected. Of course, you can always change the package after you subscribe if you want to change it to one of those different options. And then after entering in your payment information, you can take a look at the subscriber agreement. You need to okay this by checking this box. And then once you have all that information in, you can click where it says subscribe now. And if you've entered everything in correctly, you should have success. It'll say you now have access to live sports and premium content on multiple devices with your FanDuel Sports Network subscription. And it'll show you which teams are currently in season for the subscription that you're getting. So then we can click OK. And you can set your favorite teams to customize your experience. So for me, I'm going to favorite the Detroit Pistons. And to get to the content of your favorite sports team, you can just click on the sports team here at the top, and you'll be able to see their games in this area. If you want to change your subscription or your account settings, you can click on your account here in the upper right-hand corner. And over here on the side, if you'd like to change your subscription, you can click the subscription option. But that's going to wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.